Cauliflower tortillas are a wonderful alternative to traditional wheat tortillas, especially for those following a low-carb or gluten-free diet. Here's a simple recipe to make great cauliflower tortillas. Ingredients: 1 small head of cauliflower, about 2-3 cups of cauliflowers, -2 large eggs, 1/4 cup vanilla capator and optional, 1-2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1-2 teaspoon garlic powder wet optional, 1-2 teaspoon cumin optional. Cookings Prairio for gay phase furang fuel. Instructions: 1. Prepare a thecular for preheat ovento 375 F190C. Cut hecaliflization of food processor into list. You can also gracial. Plastifeculifuriquequequequequeq safe babole microwavers 5-6 minutes, or until tender. Alternatively, you constiapthequenchorchal. Let eat cold down fontwaisen. 2. Drain excessmister. Onsatheca lifiloswer. Transferito colitwachal. Rapthica liflifentor. Fistipis cruciaphil-like texture. 3. Combine ingredients. In a mixing bowl. Combinethicula quartz. Copit cilantro effusing. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, and cumin. Mix well until lishi. 4. Form the tortillas. Line a bank and chitoir. Takis malamucha fall about 1/4 cup, and placitanta bitero. Usio ranstofont about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick. Yukam maketha mespadi di bayandisper, buthi diant nephite. 5. Bake. Placitheba kinchiandri 10-12 minutes. Or until the edges sufachal. 6. Serve. Onsa baked. Let theco lafalist. Use a themis of frastor, burritos, or any therphilis fashion. Enjoy. Tips. Yukon customisful. Bioting de Fershensbay, paprika, or Driadoriana. Makesher to Squesco mass. Top prevent the torfils bon fabalzels. Storiana left Tavariaqual 3-4 days. Rehethem in a squilt.